neighbors doing the leaf blowing, but it's getting cold out. Let's see what the temperature is. 55, that's like California 32. Getting cold. But the engine's already at 80 something, 84 if it focuses. As we're letting the car warm up, I just want to say thank you guys so much. We just hit 20,000 subscribers. Again, I always tell the story. It started out me making videos with talking to myself to 6 other people. I remember posting a video, checking it 24 hours later, 6 people viewed it. So to see thousands of you guys subscribe, click the button, click the subscribe button, clicking the notification, the like, commenting, all that engagement, it really means a lot. So thank you guys so much. Without your guys' support, we wouldn't be making these videos, bringing you guys awesome Mustang content. And in the future, there's a lot more in store beyond Mustangs, but of course we'll always have the Mustang. Also, I know I made that Mach-E video, so a little update on that. I still really like the Mach-E. I was even debating putting in the $500 deposit just to hold my spot. I was actually talking to a finance manager at a local dealership about it. It's gonna take a few years for the GT to come out anyways. They were saying like 2021, just because all the base models are gonna come out first. And that just makes sense. They're gonna use the base models to pay for the GT models, and that's just how it is. But I was thinking about just throwing 500 bucks at it and then just holding a spot. And then if I don't, I asked him too, I said, if I don't use it, can I just get a refund? And he said, yeah, up until you actually order your specific car, you'll get a refund. So, I mean, it's kind of like just holding my spot in line. I know a ton of people ordered that stupid Tesla Cybertruck. That thing looks hilarious. The specs are cool. I love the specs, the torque, everything like that, but man, does that thing look ugly. And later in the video, I'm going to talk a little bit more about what this title means, and it does do something with this and for free to you guys. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'll talk about it in the future. I have an iPhone 6s Plus. It's super old. I'm gonna go pick up a new iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I'm gonna get it in that nice green. I'm an iPhone guy, I'm sorry, I'm just stuck on iPhone, but I'm gonna get in that nice green because, fun fact is, when I was looking at Mustangs, a color I really wanted was guard green, and that's a S550 color. I'm not totally a S550 hater, I joke about it, it's kind of a thing on the channel, but this car could have been guard green S550. Maybe I'll get a truck in guard green. They make F-150s in it, so that'd be kind of cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up a guard green iPhone, so come with me. I think the biggest thing is going to be that the transmission is cold. I mean, I don't really get on it, too much when the engine's cold, but I mean, the engine's at 136. The transmission does get a little bit notchier. Like, come on, get in the first. Gotta do the trick, second, third, there it goes. So I don't know if that's just my transmission notchiness or if that is the Mantic clutch splines not lining up. But either way, I mean, it does that every once in a while. Usually only when it's cold. Whenever I'm driving normal and it's all warmed up, it's pretty good about it. User on Instagram named Cursed50 has bags. Super clean car. Like, definitely check his car out. He suggested full hard in the stiff or full hard in the rear, and then in the front go like 7 clicks stiffer from soft. So I might pull over real quick before we really run these errands and then test that out, because I just realized leaving the neighborhood. See, there's that stickiness again. Come on, baby. There we go. Because leaving the neighborhood, I already noticed, like, yeah, it's super bouncy. So let's go ahead and take care of that again. So this is his page with his GT500 front end S197. But I go to the DMs, and if it loads, okay, good stuff. That's why I need a new phone. He said max out the rears and then put the fronts right in the middle. So it actually has 32 ways of adjusting. So we're gonna put it right at 16. We're gonna just go to full stiff, then go to 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's right in the middle. Okay, so the fronts are done. First impressions of like the first, what is that, like 30 feet? Feels pretty good. I gotta make this turn. Do it in like 2 sections here to shift. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Thank you, Cursed50. I'm gonna give this a shot. Hopefully this makes a big difference, because yeah, it was really bouncy when I did full stiff front and rear. But I do know my rears would bottom out sometimes on big dips. I like to ride a little bit lower than most, so that's just something I noticed. But we're gonna hop on the freeway, which I do need 2 hands for. Tires are super cold. Squeeze between these 2 cars. And good to go. Good amount of traffic out here today. You can see a little bit of bounciness, but not too bad. So we got the phone, and it was kind of a fail because I thought I was gonna walk out with the phone like brand new, ready to go. But you have to go home now and sync everything up and cross it over. I was totally, I guess since it's been 4 years since I've done it, I thought they would do it all and transfer it and I'd walk out with a new phone. But I also did not trade my phone in because I basically giggled to myself, my phone is worth $60. An iPhone is worth $60 on trade-in. So probably just gonna sell that to someone else on Craigslist or something, get a little bit more money out of it. But I also adjusted the rear. I pulled it down from full stiff to 10 clicks to soft. So I just knocked it down a little bit, made it a little softer. Seems like it made a pretty good difference so far. Oh, fucking find third gear. Hard to do one-handed and turn. But yeah, we're gonna head over to the warehouse spot and OG spot because we have a little announcement and I want to give you guys some of the details on this giveaway, how you can totally spruce up your interior. And holy crap, this rides a whole lot better. Like I just hit one of the bumps I would usually like be bouncing around. Rides a whole lot better. So I'll see you guys at the OG warehouse spot. Together we hit 20,000 subscribers, and to celebrate I want to give back to you guys. So we've partnered with JATO Performance. They're going to sponsor this giveaway, and one of you guys is going to have a completely free carbon fiber interior kit for your 10 through 14 or 15 to 20 car. So it's open to both chassis of 5.0s. Well, both chassis that are currently out for 5.0s, not the old Fox bodies. But right now we're gonna be showing you what you're gonna expect whenever you get this kit. If you're new to the channel because people have shared this giveaway, which I'd appreciate, then this is my Mustang. It's a 2013 Mustang GT. It is a base model. However, I've done quite a lot of things to it to make it spruced up. So this is a base model with sync. I did get the correct plate, JATO Performance, thank you very much, came in perfectly. And yeah, it's got the JATO Performance carbon surround here. It's also got carbon all around the console, and it has the carbon all across the dash, which this piece is really the piece that like gets me super excited. Like when you look over and you see that all carbon, it's perfect. Like I really love it. So to enter the giveaway, there's a few steps involved. It's very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the notification bell if you're not already. And if you already are subscribed, great. That's already a step done. But also hit the notification bell because then you'll be notified of all the newest uploads. 2, give the video a big thumbs up, give it a like, so that way I can see tons of likes on this video. Helps it grow and share, and it helps build the channel. So I really appreciate you guys always giving thumbs up on the videos. And then 3, leave a comment down below describing your Mustang. Tell me what year it is, tell me what model, if you have any mods on it. Just let me know what you guys drive. I want to see what the audience drives. And if you have an Instagram, go ahead and also comment within that comment your Instagram ad. That'll make it easy for if you win, I can just contact you on Instagram, get your address, and have the part shipped out. But if the winner doesn't win that has their Instagram ad in there, it's no big deal. I'll just contact them throughout YouTube or just comment and try to reach out to them. And if they don't respond, then we'll pick another winner. I'm gonna pick a winner out of the YouTube comments. It'll be totally random. You just have to be doing all those steps to be involved. I can't really verify if you're liked, but I can verify if you're subscribed. So make sure you actually do subscribe to enter. And it's open to any Mustang anywhere in the country or anywhere in actually the world. There's worldwide shipping available. So any Mustang 10 through 20, so any modern Mustang, can get an interior upgrade through JATO Performance with full. This is a pretty amazing giveaway. Again, thanks to JATO Performance. I want to see a ton of entries down below. Share it with your buddies. I know a ton of people were talking about they wish they could get the carbon fiber or they haven't done it yet. I know a lot of you guys already did get it, but this is completely open. Thank you guys again for 20K subscribers. I mean, 20,000 people. That's insane. Like imagining 20,000 bodies, just visualizing that is insane. So thank you each and every one of you for commenting, liking, and subscribing to the videos. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here. I'll see you guys next time.